Non-union.
All right, Namanjot, explain. Yes, today we are going to take up the forms of verbs. So everybody please be careful with it because Namanjot is going to start it. Yes, Namanjot.
The meaning of no. Ma'am, the meaning of no is कि हम जानते हैं उसको. No.
Okay, that's great. Next one, please.
Laid. Ma'am कि वो कुछ something is lying on the table.
All right, very good. So the first one is know, knew, known. Know means किसी को जानना, right? So the forms of verbs are know, knew, known. And next is lay. Lay, laid, laid. Right? Lay, laid. The meaning of lay, lay is कि कोई चीज बहुत ही केयरफुली जब आप उसको नीचे रखते हो, it is called to lay. Okay? Good morning, beta. Please keep yourself on mute. Right. So, the meaning of lay is to keep something very carefully down. Okay. For example, if I say, please lay the table, it means keep all the things on the table very carefully. Table को अच्छे से आप प्यार से उसको set करो. Right? Fine. The next two will be spoken by Saransh. Yes, Saransh, the next two forms of verbs. And beta, all of you, please be quick. आप सबकी
Good morning, ma'am.
Right.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Please start.
Good morning. Lead, led.
Very good.
मैम लीड का मतलब होता है किसी को जैसे लीड करना कि आप मेरे को ऐसे करो.
Very good. So lead means किसी को कोई command देना, to tell somebody what to do, what not to. For example, in this session, I am your leader. I am telling you what to do. So lead कर रही हूँ मैं आपको. I am commanding you. I am giving you some instructions कि अभी ये करो, अब ये करो. That is called to lead somebody. So the forms of verbs are lead, led. Okay, L-E-A-D is lead, L-E-D is led. Past में बोलेंगे तो led हो जाएगा. Okay, next Saransh.
Leap, leaped, leapt.
Right. So what's it meaning? Its meaning?
Ma'am, I don't know this meaning. This word meaning.
No problem. So the forms of verb we are doing, those who have joined just now, we are doing forms of verb. So you are supposed to bring your comprehension books. Comprehension book की back side पे बेटे you will check forms of verbs are there, right? We have started from the forms of verbs and it is 69th number, sorry. So the next word is leap. Leap, leapt, leap, leaped. Okay, दो तरह से हम use कर सकते हैं. Leap, leapt and leap, leaped. So the meaning of leap is to jump high or a long way. Okay, to jump high or a long way. जब आप बड़ा बड़ा कदम लेते हो या जंप करके आगे को जाते हो, that is called leap करना. ठीक है, बड़ा सा कदम लेके आगे जाना या थोड़ा जंप करके आगे जाना, that is called to leap. Okay, leap, leapt, leap, leaped. Right. Next one I want Vanshika to explain. Next two forms of verbs, Vanshika.
Learned.
Right. So what's the meaning of learn?
किसी बात का पता चलना.
Okay, किसी बात को सीखना, किसी चीज को सीखना, that is learn something.
चीज को सीखना.
Right. So we have two ways through which we can speak the forms of verbs. Learn, learnt, learnt. Learn, learned. आप दोनों में से कुछ भी use कर सकते हो. Next, Vanshika.
Leave, left. मतलब छोड़ देना.
Very good. Leave, किसी चीज को छोड़ देना. Okay. Leave as a verb use करे हैं. यहाँ पर leave as a noun हम नहीं ले रहे. जो आप leave form स्कूल में fill करते हो, that is not a verb, that is a noun. कि मुझे छुट्टी चाहिए, that is a leave noun, that means छुट्टी के लिए बोलना. But here we are using leave as a verb, that means किसी चीज को छोड़ना, कहीं से चले जाना. For example, I want to leave this meeting. मैं ये meeting छोड़ना चाहती हूँ. Okay, I don't want to leave this meeting. मैं meeting नहीं छोड़ना चाहती. So leave means कोई चीज छोड़ना और किसी जगह से चले जाना. All right. Next two forms of verb, Sargun. Okay, Sargun, please speak next two forms of verbs, and after Sargun, Pulkit will explain the next two verbs. After Sargun.
Lent.
Yes. So what does it mean?
Then I don't know the meaning of lend.
Okay, so the meaning of lend is किसी को अपनी कोई चीज कुछ टाइम के लिए यूज करने के लिए देना. Okay, that means किसी को कोई चीज उधार देना. Lend. If I ask my friend, can you please lend me a pen for a while? क्या आप थोड़ी देर के लिए मुझे अपना पेन दे सकते हो यूज करने के लिए? Can you please lend me some money? आप मुझे थोड़ी देर के लिए कुछ पैसे दे सकते हो उधार? Okay, so lend means to use, to give something to somebody for a while. कुछ टाइम के लिए यूज करने के लिए देना. Okay, so the forms of verbs are lend, lent, lent. Right. Next one, Sargun.
Let. It means that let it be.
Okay, so let. Please let me speak. Please let me go to the washroom. Please let me do this work. मुझे ये चीज करने दो. Means करने दो. Okay, let me speak करने दो. Okay, right. Pulkit, the next two verbs. After Pulkit, Ekam is going to speak the next two verbs. Yes, Pulkit.
That's the meaning of lie, lay, lie. The meaning of is झूठ बोलना.
All right. So first of all, it is lie, lay. पहला word है lie, lay, which means कि कोई चीज जो है एक resting position पे है, पड़ी हुई है, resting position पे है. If I say some notebooks are lying on the floor, जमीन के ऊपर कुछ नोटबुक्स पड़ी हुई हैं, दैट मीन्स वो रेस्टिंग पोजीशन पे है ना, वो कुछ नहीं कर रही है, रेस्ट कर रही है. कोई चीज कहीं पड़ी हुई है नीचे, राइट? दैट इज कॉल्ड lie, lay. The other word is lie, lied. That is झूठ बोलना. You lied to me. आपने मेरे साथ झूठ बोला. Did you lie to me? क्या आपने मेरे साथ झूठ बोला? Okay, so first is lie, lay, which means कोई चीज resting position पे है. Other one is lie, lied, means झूठ बोलना. Okay, right. Next one, बेटे.
Good morning.
Yes. Pulkit, the next one. Light, L-I-G-H-T.
Light, lighted, lit, lit. That's the meaning of it. रोशनी.
Okay. So here the word is light, lighted, light, lit. Okay. इनका एक ही मीनिंग है, बट यहाँ पर द मीनिंग इज अ बिट डिफरेंट. अदरवाइज हम लाइट को एज अ नाउन यूज करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द लाइट्स इन योर रूम्स, दे आर नाउन्स, राइट? आपके रूम में जो लाइट है, दैट इज अ नाउन, वो एक चीज है. एम आई राइट? शो मी योर थम्स अप. एम आई राइट? आपके रूम में जो लाइट्स है वो नाउन है. ओके, बट हियर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द फॉर्म्स ऑफ वर्ब्स. फॉर्म्स ऑफ वर्ब्स मीन्स कुछ एक्शन होगा इन सभी वर्ड्स के थ्रू. So here light, lighted or light, lit means रोशनी करना. Okay, if I say please light a candle for me, please मेरे लिए एक कैंडल जला दीजिए. ठीक है, मैं ये थोड़ी बोलूंगी कि प्लीज बर्न अ कैंडल, कैंडल को जला दो, ऐसे नहीं बोलूंगी ना. सो आई विल से प्लीज लाइट अ कैंडल, एक कैंडल जला दीजिए, राइट? सो हियर द मीनिंग ऑफ लाइट एज अ वर्ब इज कोई चीज जलाना, सो दैट रोशनी हो जाए. Okay. Next two verbs. Ekam.
Yes, ma'am.
After Ekam, Agamjot will speak next two verbs. Okay, Ekam, carry on.
Live, live, live. Live मतलब रहना. Lose, lost, lost. Lose मतलब हारना.
Very good. So live, lived, lived. Live means रहना, जीना. Live, lived, lived. And next is lose. Lose means किसी चीज को खो देना. Okay? और जब आपको बताना है कि मैंने खो दिया था, अब पुरानी बात करना चाहते हो, so you will say I lost my book. मैंने अपनी नोटबुक खो दी. Okay, I lost my book. Right. So next one, Agamjot. After Agamjot, Bhavesh will speak the next two verbs.
Make, made, made. Make का मीनिंग है मैम कोई चीज बनाना.
All right.
Marry, married, married. किसी की शादी होना.
Very good. So the meaning of make is कोई चीज बनाना. Make, made, made. When you speak in past about something which has happened in the past, then you will say made. Make, made, made. And then marry. That means to get married. शादी हो जाना. Marry, married, married. All right. Thank you. Next two verbs. Whose turn is it?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Bhavesh. So after Bhavesh, Anuradha is going to speak the next two verbs. Yes, Bhavesh.
मीन मीन का मतलब होता है किसी चीज का मीनिंग समझाना. मीट, मैट का मतलब होता है कि किसी के साथ मिलना.
Very good. Good try, Bhavesh. So here we have used mean as a verb. Okay. Mean, meant. Okay. यहाँ पर इसका मतलब है कि मेरा ये मतलब है या मेरा ये मतलब था. Okay. If I say I did not mean this, जब कोई गलतफहमी हो जाती है, मैं कुछ और कहती हूँ, आप कुछ और समझते हो. Okay. So there is a difference of opinion. So जब मैं कुछ अच्छा कहती हूँ आपको बुरा लगता है, so I can say ना I did not mean this, मेरा ये मतलब नहीं था. Okay. या he meant this, उसका ये मतलब था. तो यहाँ पर कैसे यूज करना है? मीनिंग अदरवाइज होता है किसी चीज का मतलब. ओके. यहाँ पर है कि मतलब है या मतलब था, कि मैंने इसको ऐसा समझा, ये तो ऐसा था. I did not mean this, मेरे कहने का ये मतलब नहीं था. Okay. And the next one Bhavesh told us is meet, met. This you already know. Meet means किसी से मिलना, and met means मिला था. Meet, met. All right. Next one, whose turn is it? Anuradha. After Anuradha, who will speak? Manridham will speak after Anuradha. Yes, Anuradha, please speak the next two verbs.
मैम
Yes, beta. All of you be ready with your turn.
pay, paid.
Right. So what is the meaning of pay? Come on, try to speak. गलत हो जाएगा, it's okay. Just speak it, no problem.
पेड मतलब मैम जैसे कि मैम मनी परचेज करना.
Money देना, है ना? To give money. Right. So pay, paid. When you purchase something from the market, then in return you have to give something. You have to pay them. आपको उनको पैसे देने पड़ते हैं ना? So pay means to make a payment. कुछ खरीदने के बदले कुछ money देना. That is to make a payment. So the verbs are pay, paid. P-A-I-D. Pay, paid. And the next one, Anuradha?
put.
Right. So what is the meaning of put?
मैम put मतलब जैसे कि
Ma'am, put.
Yes, try it, try it. Okay,
Ma'am,
Madhvi,
रखना.
please tell us the meaning of put.
मैम रखना पुट का मीनिंग.
Okay, very good, well tried. Yes, Madhvi, what do you want to say? What is the meaning of put? Unmute yourself, Madhvi.
मैम पुट मतलब डालना.
Very good. So किसी चीज को किसी चीज में डालना. For example, make a sentence, Madhvi.
क्या पूछा मैंने?
Yes.
I put a glass in the cupboard.
Okay, very good. Please put on your shoes, put on your clothes. पहन लो, कपड़े पहन लो, ठीक है? कपड़े पहनने के लिए भी हम यूज करते हैं. Please put on your clothes, right? उसी तरह से please put your book in your bag, as one student also made a sentence. So this way किसी चीज को कहीं पे डालना, right? Next, whose turn it will be? Yes, Gaurika.
Good morning, ma'am.
Next two words, Gaurika. Good morning.
Read, read, read. Read means किसी चीज को पढ़ना.
Very good.
Ride, rode, ridden means किसी swing पर झूला लेना.
Okay.
Rides लेना.
Well tried. So the meaning of read, first of all, R-E-A-D, read. Read means कोई चीज को पढ़ना. So you can see the spellings of read, ठीक है? R-E-A-D, read, and then the next words are again the same. वो भी उनके भी spelling same है, देखो. R-E-A-D, 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 right? Past form, past participle form, all are same when you write the spellings. But when you speak them, they are different. So you will say read, read, read. Read, read, read. Present के लिए read बोलोगे. Past के लिए you will say read, read. Read, read, read. Okay? And next is ride. Ride means किसी चीज की सवारी लेना, सवारी करना. For example, हम किसकी सवारी करते हैं? Horse. So you can say I am riding a horse. Okay? I rode a horse. So I like to ride on my bike. Right? तो किसी चीज की सवारी करना. So the forms of verbs are ride, rode, ridden. Okay. Next two verbs will be spoken by.
Ride, rode, ridden.
Will be spoken by Tanvi. Yes, Tanvi. Unmute yourself, Tanvi, and switch on your camera, please.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Tanvi. Next two words.
Carry, carried, carried means किसी चीज को उठाना.
Tanvi, we are not doing this word. Please come to forms of verb number 89. Number 89. Please. That means आपको पता ही नहीं है कि
Excuse me. Excuse ma'am.
Yes, बेटे.
Excuse ma'am.
Yes,
अगला
बेटे.
मैं बोल सकती हूँ.
Problem, this is really not acceptable, beta. Why are you speaking in between? I am giving chance myself. Yes, बच्चे.
Excuse me ma'am.
हाँ जी बेटे बोलो.
मैम मुझे आपकी स्क्रीन शेयर.
बेटा मैं स्क्रीन पे कुछ शो कर भी नहीं रही हूँ. I'm not showing anything on the screen today. है ना?
तो मीन्स जैसे कि बेल बज रही है उसका रंग रंग रंग.
Very good. And the next one.
Rise, rose, risen. Rise with सद की rise होना.
Very good. So number 89 is ring, rang, rung. It means कोई ring बजना, कोई bell होना. For example, if I say my phone is ringing, मेरा phone बज रहा है. Okay, the doorbell rang, doorbell baji. Okay, so ring, rang means bell bajna, bell bajne ka action hona. Then is rise, rose, risen. Rise means जब कोई चीज थोड़ी सी बढ़ जाती है, increase हो जाती है. For example, if I say the temperature rises in the summer season, टेम्परेचर जो होता है वो समर सीजन में राइज कर जाता है, बढ़ जाता है. that rise means जब कोई चीज increase हो जाती है, बढ़ जाती है. So we'll say rise, rose, risen. Okay, that thank you so much, Dharya. Next, I want Kanan. Kanan, please speak the next two words. And please sit properly, Kanan. Next turn will be Harnoor Bangaz. Harnoor, please be active. Next two words आप बोलेंगे after Kanan. Yes, Kanan, please speak up. Number 91 and 92.
Run, ran, run.
Very good. So what is the meaning of run?
दौड़ना.
Very good. And next word is?
See, saw, seen.
What does it mean?
देखना.
Very nice. So the next word is run. Run means दौड़ना. Forms of verbs are run, ran, run. And see means देखना. See, saw, seen. Okay, so you can see in the past participle form seen लिखा हुआ है. SEEN. And you must remember this that आपकी notebooks जब हम लोग check करते हैं आपका जो homework होता है तो वो same रहता है. What do we write on your notebooks? Seen. कि हमने आपका work देख लिया है. Okay, you people mixed it up with SCENE. आप इसको mix कर देते हो with SCENE जो कि हम picture composition में use करते थे. This is a very beautiful scene, right? वो होता है SCENE. ये है SEEN. That means देख लिया. Okay, देख लिया. All right. So next two words will be spoken by Harnoor. Yes, Harnoor. Harnoor, please switch on your mic and camera both. After Harnoor, Janet will speak the next two words. No response from Harnoor. Yes, Harshita, please speak up the next two words.
Mommy?
Yes, the next two verbs, please.
Ma'am, say and said. Say, said. Ma'am मतलब कुछ बोलना.
Okay.
And ma'am sells, sold मतलब कुछ बेचना.
Very good. So say, said. Say means कुछ कहना. And past की बात करेंगे तो said. हम बोलते हैं ना who said these words? ये words किसने कहे थे? ये question आपको आता है हमेशा. So said means कहे थे. Next is sell, sold. Sell means बेचना और अगर कहना हो कि बेचा था, then you'll say sold. Sell, sold. Right. Yes, Janet, next two words, please. After Janet, Karthik will speak the next two words.
Send. Send मतलब किसी को भेजना.
Switch on your camera, Janet. First of all.
Okay, ma'am. Send.
What does it mean?
Set. Send मतलब किसी को भेजना.
Okay.
Set मतलब बैठना.
Beta, this is not sit. Sit नहीं है ये. This is set. Anyways, thank you, Janet. So first word is send. Send means कोई चीज भेजना. ओके कोई चीज या किसी को भेजना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल प्लीज सेंड मी अ मैसेज, मुझे एक मैसेज भिजवा देना. ओके so send. And next is set means किसी चीज को अपनी जगह पे एकदम ठीक ठाक करके रखना. Okay, if I say please set your room, please set your cupboard, अपनी cupboard को set कर लो, एकदम ठीक कर लो. Right, so this is the meaning of set, कि बिल्कुल ठीक कर देना एक चीज को. All right, so next whose turn is it? Karthik. Yes, be ready Karthik, it's your turn now. We don't have much time, bete. So I am not going to. No response from Karthik.
I got first prize in dance competition.
All right. Thank you so much for the information, Vinisha. And congratulations to you. We all are very proud of you. Right.
Thank you.
Okay. So next is Harjot's turn now. Yes, Harjot, please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, pick up the next two verbs, bete.
Ma'am, when the meeting is over.
Yes, Harjot, start speaking. Quickly, bache. Which are the next two words? Next two words are number 97 and 98. Yes, speak up fast. So we are not left with much time. Let me just carry on with the next words. So next is number 97. It is sew. Sew, sewed, sewn. Sew means आप जब कोई चीज को सिलते हो, जब आप सुई धागे से मशीन से सिलते हो कोई चीज, that is called sew. So it's called sew, sewed, sewn. Number 98 is shake, shook, shaken. Shake means किसी चीज को ऐसे हिला देना, right? जब आप कोई चीज मिक्स कर रहे होते हो जार में sometimes, so you do like this, that is called shaking, to shake something. Shake, shook, shaken. Number 99 is shine, shone, shone. Shine means जब कोई चीज चमकती है, right? कोई चीज चमक रही है. For example, the sun shines very brightly. Okay, so that is called to shine. कोई चीज का चमकना. Further, we have shoot. Shoot, shot, shot. So shoot means जब आप निशाना लगाते हो, जब आप गन के साथ निशाना लगाते हो, that is called shoot. He shooted at me. Okay, so shoot, shot, shot. Okay, next is show, showed, shown. Show means जब आप कोई चीज दिखाते हो, कोई चीज को रिवील करते हो, दिखाते हो उसको, that's called to show something. Shrink, shrank, shrunk. Shrink means जब कोई चीज अपने ओरिजिनल साइज से थोड़ी सी कम हो जाती है, सिकुड़ जाती है. So you must have seen sometimes you say that after washing, after wash क्या होता है, some clothes are such कि after washing they shrink a bit, वो थोड़े से छोटे हो जाते हैं अपने साइज से. Okay, that is called to shrink. जब कोई चीज ओरिजिनल साइज से थोड़ी कम हो जाती है. So the words are shrink, shrank, shrunk. Next is shut, shut, shut. Shut means बंद होना. If I say please shut the gate, okay, shut the gate, उसको बंद कर दो. तो तीनों words same रहते हैं. Shut, shut, shut. Sing, sang, sung. Now sing means गाना. Okay, so अगर कहना हो कि गाया था, it is sang. Sing, sang, sung. Right? There was one word on number 100. So it is shoot, shot, shot. तो यहाँ पर आप यही यूज करोगे, shoot, shot, shot. Shoot means, yes, shoot means किसी चीज पे आप जब निशाना लगाते हो. Okay, so if we can say he shot a fire, like he shot a gun. इस तरह से इसको यूज करो. Everybody please mute yourself. yourselves, all of you. Now there are some students like Manraj Singh. Yes, Manraj.